FamilySearch is a great website for being able to view your family history online. But did you know that you can also print pedigree charts and family group sheets so you can view them offline as well? Come with me and I will show you how to do this. Hi, Mari Stotts-Pratt here. Come with me and I will show you how you can find where to print pedigree charts and family group sheets on FamilySearch. The first thing that you want to do is navigate to the FamilySearch website and make sure that you are logged in. From there, go to Family Tree and click Tree. You can then view your family tree and choose who you want to start your pedigree chart. Click on the name and then click on it again, and it will open up the page for that person. Next, scroll down, and on the right side of the page you will see Print. From here you can print pedigree charts, a portrait pedigree, a fam chart, a family chart, and a family group sheet with sources. So if you click on pedigree, it will show you that it will print 4 generations, and it will show information for birth date, birthplace, marriage date, marriage place, death date, death place. It will also have LDS ordinances if you have an LDS account. You can also print your family group sheet by clicking on this button, and it will bring up your family group record with a husband and wife and information for all of their children. At the top right, you can see that you can download it and you can also print it. I hope that you found this video helpful in knowing how to print family group sheets and pedigree charts so that you can use these for your own offline research and recording. Please take a second to like and subscribe and share this video with anyone you know who is interested in family history, and happy discovering!